Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, well I already did, was take my Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer and the, what is this, Tarte Clean Slate Poreless primer, and I already applied that. So the first thing I'm going to do with my eyes is use this Master Conceal by Face Studio by Maybelline, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyes for the eyeshadow as a base. My mirror is right here, so I'll be looking down, and I'm just gonna, now that everything is, you know, set in place, I'm gonna take a translucent powder, not this one, but my Airspun, and this is in extra coverage, and I'm just gonna take any kind of blending brush, get a little bit of that on here, tap it off, and kind of just dust it all over the lid. For today's look, I will be using the Studio Pro palette, and this palette is perfect for beginners, I would say, because it comes with a variety of mattes, shimmers, and duochromes. So with the same brush we used to set the eyes, I'm gonna just dust some of it off. I'm gonna take this color right here, dust that off, and I'm gonna go under the brow bone with this. And for this look, I'm going for more of a halo eye. So I'm gonna sit this closer so you can see everything on my eye a little better. So the next color I'm gonna use a different blending brush, and I'm gonna take this, oh you can't even see, this brown right here with a little bit of this color. And I'm gonna focus this, let me adjust my mirror, on the outer corner and the inner corner, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And then I'm gonna pick back up that first brush we used, if I can find it. Well, we're just gonna have to use this one. I'm gonna use this brush and take the color that we used as the transition, the lighter color, and I'm just gonna lighten this up a little bit. It's got kind of intense, so I'm just gonna lighten that up. See, that's better. So the next brush I'm gonna take is this little smudgy brush, and it's the two darkest browns in the palette. The other side, the other blendable side of the same brush, I'm gonna take some of this matte black at the bottom here, just a little bit, and I'm going to keep this at the very bottom, lightly sweeping. One thing I love about this palette, it is very blendable. I look like I got punched in the eye, but that's gonna be fixed real quick. So when you look like you're punched in the eye like me, that means you're ready for some concealer. Let me know how you like me talking through my videos. I know I don't really do talk throughs, but if you like them, let me know. Okay, I finally found the brush that I use for my transition color. I'm gonna take a bit of that color and that color, and I'm gonna lighten it up. So the next thing I'm going to do is take that same concealer, and I forgot to mention, but this is in the color medium, And I'm gonna take this with either a slanted concealer brush, or you could use, you know, just a flat concealer brush. I'm gonna be using the flat concealer brush. It's a bit sharper to me. And I'm gonna apply it to the center of my lid. See how I messed up a little bit? It's okay. I'm just gonna take that same matte black and go right over it. So when you have cut the halo or whatever you want to call it, once it looks like this and it's dry, we're not gonna set it today because I'm using shimmer, and I feel like when you're using shimmer and then you set it, it's just gonna push both of the products around and kind of clump up the glitter. So I'm just cleaning off the flat brush because I am gonna actually be using this to dip into the glitters or the duochrome. I think this is a shimmer and this is a duochrome. Spray my brush first with a bit of setting spray, going in with the darker blue, and I'm going to just apply it to the perimeter and not the entire lid. Okay, and flipping the brush over, I'm going to use the lighter shade and pop it right in the middle. I think I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use this one. I feel like this one's better with packing. Okay, and next color, take some of that blue off. I'm gonna go with the color directly next to it. This sort of, I don't know what kind of color this is, but I think it's a duochrome. It's just a little brighter, and I'm gonna pop that right on top, kind of like in an up and down motion, kind of to widen my eyes a bit. Yeah, like I was saying, the website is very beginner friendly and very inexpensive. They have nice brushes and everything. So I think I'm gonna add some more, just me, pearly color on the end. That color is so pretty. Can you see that? I'm sorry, my hands are just so awkward. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna pop that, another pop of color on another flat brush. Poke myself in the eye. Right on top. And that same up down motion, but concentrating it right in the middle. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna take a blending brush. I'm gonna go in with the brown, this brown right here, just to kind of deepen it up a bit. Okay, I'm always losing that brush, but I'll just use this one. So I'm gonna take that transition, I don't want it too dark. It's already dramatic enough. Soften everything up. But please comment if you like the talk throughs? If so, I'll incorporate them more. I did this one talk through mainly for my grandma. She watches my videos. Hi grandma. And she was like, you need to talk more. You should talk more in your videos. I was like, okay. So here I am. So I'm gonna finish my face off camera and I'll come back with you guys with the final look. Might come back on because I don't know what I'm doing with my lips yet, but I'll come back with my face done. Okay. So this is the final look featuring my faux locks that I did myself. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. I'm gonna link it. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling the look? Give this video a thumbs up if you think so. Please don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff. Also comment other things you want to see on my channel, other makeup looks, any other colors you would like me to incorporate, hair stuff. Like I said, go check out this video on how I did these locks, these burgundy and black locks, goddess locks, Rihanna inspired locks, whatever. But yeah.